Hello everyone. So exciting news for those people who have submitted their expression of interest. Alberta Advantage Immigration Program has actually started awarding points to your expression of interest. So if you have submitted your expression of interest, this is the time to log in and check your score. In this particular video, I'm just going to show you how to do that. So first and foremost thing, you log into the portal using the same username and password that you used for creation of expression of interest. Very obvious. So once you have logged in using your username and password, go down and you should see a link which says check existing worker expression of interest. Click that link. Don't worry, nothing will happen. Click that link and you will see your expression of interest coming up with the score that has been awarded. This is the thing that we all were waiting for, to get a score. And before continuing, this expression of interest is totally a dummy demo expression of interest which I created for you guys to show you how to create an expression of interest. I will be deleting it very shortly, but for this demo purpose, this demo expression of interest scored a very high 86 points. Let's see how much your scores are. We can all discuss and compare the profile with your scores. But the main point is here. If you open your expression of interest form, right, the first section is obviously the details that you have filled up. But if you keep going down, you will actually see the score that has been awarded, the breakup of that score. So keep going down, keep going down, keep going down. This is still the form that I have submitted for demo purposes. Now, let's see. Education. 17 points for education. 7 points for education, 10 points for location. 10 points for language proficiency. I got no points for English proficiency, English or French or bilingual proficiency. Work experience, 21 points. Age, I got 4 points. Family in Alberta, 8 points. Job offer, 16 points. For my Alberta job offer location, I got 0 points because I might have selected my location as Calgary or Edmonton. So no points for job location, and then 10 points for regulated occupation, and then this is the total breakdown of my 86 points. I got 60 points for my human capital score and 26 points for my economic factor score, and total of 86 points. So this is how, guys, you can check your score, your breakdown. If you have any questions, reach out to me in the comments, and we can discuss how the score looks for each of us. And this is an exciting and good development that has happened very recently. I'll show you the date when it happened. I think this update happened just yesterday. So if I go back to my expression of interest form, I would see that my expression of interest was updated on 15th of October. Let's see. Yep, 15th of October. So we submitted it towards the starting of October for the demo purpose, and this was updated sometime yesterday. Yeah, sometime yesterday at around 6:19 p.m. in the evening. So we got the score. Still now the status is submitted. Score is 86. We will see how the things go on. And if you have any questions, reach out to me on the comments and we will discuss. Thank you so much.